Hi friends, today I am show you modern living room ceiling design ideas. Living room is room where ceiling design and interior design should be given more attention than the other rooms. In interior, how to make ceiling design in the living room is a question that have asking many of us. Plain white ceiling does not suit to anyone, especially because today there are many building materials for making the ceiling. It is important to have an idea of when choosing the decoration of the ceiling first takes into account the size of the living room and the height of the ceiling. Ceilings in several levels look good in the spacious living room and ceiling height of not less than 270 centimeters, and how you want to looks living room ceiling, like modern ceiling, classic ceiling, luxury living room ceiling with LED lighting. You can choose easy light living room ceiling interior design ideas makeover. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Next bedroom video.